A sudden event that causes large scale damage to life, property, and social aspects of a nation or society is called a disaster. Okay, I hope you understand what is the disaster. Then we see the questions that are given here. Use your brain power. By using your brain power, find out the answers of this question. That is, what type of disasters can occur in your school or the on the way to school means if you imagine all these events and you identify these are the various types of events or disasters occurs on the earth surface. Okay, so if you imagine in your school which type of disasters are occur, and also this disaster will occur at in your school or also on the road or on the way by which you went to the school. So in on this both the places which type of disasters will be occurred. So they may be there is a due to heavy rainfall flood will be there, or the water of this flood get entered into the school. Okay, in that way such type of disaster will be occur, that is the flood. Then second question is that according to you what can be done to deal with such disasters. So how can you deal means how can we treat, which type of treatment will have to given all the peoples during such conditions or such events. So think about that and find the answers. Okay, so we move our next point in your textbook, that is on the page number 27. So here we have some information, that is what should we have to do during such type of disasters, or how or why such type of disasters occur, what is the reasons of that earthquake or landslide, or also we see the floods due to heavy rainfall. So which are the reasons? So see here, these are the reasons which are given in your textbook on the page number 27. Okay, we see one by one with the help of images. See here under this heading, how and why do the following disasters occur. If we see the another disasters and if we study the reasons for all the disasters, we find out the this information. First we see which type of disasters are there. So first one is flood. So why flood is occurred? Flood is occurred due to heavy rains. Okay, so we see these all the events with the help of images. So first is the, what is the first event? Sorry, first event is a flood, and flood is occurred due to the heavy rains. If we see, this is the flood. Okay, this flood is occurred due to heavy rainfall. If we see, due to heavy rainfall all the houses and some properties of nations will get in this, all the property water get entered. Okay, so this occurred due to this flood occurred due to the heavy rainfall. Okay, then we see the second, that is an earthquake. So we see how the earthquake takes place. If we see this image, in earthquakes there is a crack of the earth surface gate. Then we see the second event, that is the lightning. Then we see the third type of disaster, that is the volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption means in this type of event or disaster, what happened, such type of hot juices are comes out from the earth inner surface to the outer surface. Okay, these are very hot juices, it damages the living things which are present on the near for their earth surface. So this is the another type of disaster, that is the volcanic eruption. Then we see the next disaster, which type of disasters will occur, that is the forest fire. Means the fire will be catches in the forest or also the places which contains large number of trees or living things. Okay, in that case this is the another disaster, that is the forest fires. Okay, by seeing all these images we see which type of disasters are there. So here we see one by one. First we see the floods due to heavy rainfall. This flood occurred due to heavy rainfall. Then we see the another, that is the earthquake, lightning. Lightning means there when the in the rainy seasons lightning will be done in the sky due to the uh, friction of the clouds in the sky. So due to friction what happen, there is a lightning is produced, light is produced in the sky. So this is we call it is the This process we call lightning. Okay, you know about what is the lightning? See here, this is the lightning. Here what happen, the clouds in the rainy season, what happen, the clouds in the sky get friction or they slide with one another, and due to this sliding the lightning light is produced in the sky. So this process we call lightning. So this is the another disaster, that is the lightning. If this lightning is falls on the earth surface, on any living things, on the tree or house, there will be also damage produced. Okay, this part will be get damaged. Then we see that is the volcanic eruption. So this volcanic eruption also causes damages, which is damages of the objects which are nearer to that surface. In this what happen, hot juices are comes out. See here, this red colored, these are the hot juices. Okay, these are in a hot in temperature. These juices are comes out from the inner surface of the earth and spread on the layer or the land. Okay, so if this type of hot juices are spread on the land, the living things or other objects which are present on that surface will get damaged. So in that way, this is the another disaster. Okay, so here we see the next disaster, that is the forest fire. Forest fire means in forest, due to some regions, fire will be catch and whole forest get damaged due to this fire. Then we see the increased risk due to the high density population in the limited area. If we see the big cities in our country like Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, also now Pune city. Okay, in such cities what happen, that is the metropolitan cities. Okay, in that cities what happen, there are population will be increased, and due to this population there is a construction will be seen like this. Okay, if the construction of houses or the living places for that people is very close to each other, if we see this image, all the buildings are very close to one another, there is a very less space to move from one building to, or for moving from one house to another house. So in that there is a very limited space is available for transportation or other activities. So in that case what happen, if there is an increased risk due to the heavy high density of population in the limited area, means here in limited area lot of peoples are lived. So due to this what happen, the risk of such type of disasters will be happen, that is possibility of the disaster will be more in that such condition, that is fire catches, flood will be occur due to heavy rainfall. So such type of disaster will occur due to such type of increased population, or there is a population in a limited area. High density of population, high density of population means the lot of people lived at a one place in a limited area. Such this is called we density of a population in a limited area. Okay, the next reasons that increase rampant and irregular construction. Rampant means here uncontrolled construction, means we know nowadays we know a lot of land is used or is used under the construction. These most of the land in the cities or of the forest will be under construction for homes or other shops, industries. Okay, so here what happen, there is a rampant means what happen, there is a uncontrolled construction will be uncontrolled and irregular means there is a no uh, what we say that there is a no limitation for the construction of such type of buildings or industries or the houses in the limited area in the cities. So such type of construction will be seen in the various cities. So this also causes, or this will also arises the, there is a possibility of disaster. Okay, in such type of condition disaster will be occurred very easily. Means if we see the landslide in the, as we see the landslide get occurred in the Malin village. Okay, because there is a construction will be takes place on such type of lands, that is hilly area. Man use all types of lands for his own purpose. Okay, so in due to this reason there is a possibility of disaster occur. So then we see the next, that is ecological imbalance. So due to man different activities by man or man-made activities, there is a balance will be get disturbed. Ecological balance means if we see our earth surface, there is atmosphere. Our earth is very beautiful due to greenery, okay. Lot of forest, various types of forest animals are found on the earth surface. But nowadays what happen, due to man-made activities, such disturbance will be occur. That is, we see the various diversity in the living things, but this diversity will get extinct. Why? Because we use the lot of land for our selfish activities. That is, we cut the trees in the forest. So here what happened, house of the animals which are lived in that forest will get uh, less down. That is, the quantity of this land will get, forest will get reduced due to cutting of the trees. So in such condition what happen, also we use the various types of vehicles, various types of industries are developed on the earth surface. Due to that what happen, heat surround the earth will get increased, and due to this what happen, ecological imbalance will be occurred. Ecological imbalance means we know the cycle of rain, how the water is produced, the water cycle is, in which way water cycle is produced. We know we our season is distributed in the three way, that is the winter season, rainy season and summer season. This cycle will get disturbed because we know that due to our interruption of human in the nature. Due to this what happen, ecological imbalance will be occurred. So this is the another reason of the disaster. Also the next reason for the disaster, that is terrorism. We know the terrorism, some peoples have such type of activities which damage the society, or also died the, all the innocent peoples, okay. This called terrorism, which is against the all human rights. So again we see riots. Riots means disturbance of peace. Means if there is a if we live with a peace in our country, some people get disturbances due to their violent activity. So second is the riots. Riots means disturbance of peace, that is violent action. Due to violent actions of some peoples, there get disturbance occur of the peace. Then next one is the crimes. These terrorism, riots and crimes, due to these activities, that is the terrorism, riots, riots, sorry, not riots, riots and crimes. Due to these all activities of some humans, they result in a bomb explosion. Means due to such type of peoples, there may be bomb explosion will be occur. Assaults. Assault means physical attack. Directly some people's attack on the another human beings. And also fire and accidents will be occurred. So here these are some another disasters or the events. These events will occur due to the some such type of peoples which have such type of actions like terrorism, riots and crimes. So due to these activities, such type of events will be occurred. Which type of events, that is, it will be, there is a bomb explosion will be occur in the public places. Also some assaults means physical attack on the human beings will be occurred by the another peoples, that is a. Also some crimes, due to these crimes accident will also occur. Fire will be catches due to this bomb explosion. So these are some disasters which will occur due to different regions, okay. Which are events we see here, again I explain. We see all these events, or also we call these are the disaster, okay. First one we see the flood due to heavy rains. Then we see the second, earthquake, lightning, volcanic eruptions, okay. These we see.